Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to TI Solutions. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of signing up for Zakya. For those who are new, Zakya is Zoho's retail POS solution that helps business manage billing, inventory, and sales operations with ease. It is designed to make retail management faster, simpler, easier, and more efficient. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support, where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. To sign up into the Zakya, open the browser and click on zakya.com. On the home page, as this is the home page, you will find the sign up button. Click on it to get started. You will be taken to the registration page. Here, fill in your name, mail ID, mobile number, create a secure password, once you have entered your details, Zakya will send a verification code to the mobile number you have provided for verifying. Provide the OTP received in the particular mobile number you have provided and click on verify button to start this. Now your account has been activated. Provide the business profile details. Here I am providing the business name, phone number, business type. I am choosing it as supermarket and grocery. State Kerala, and if you are registered to GST, you can provide the GST number. All other details like language, time zone, base currency, physical year, all this has been loaded according to the country we have provided, and you can choose the inventory start date, that is the opening date, where you can provide the opening balance and all. So click on get started to get into your new Zakya organization. And that's it. Sign up for Zakya is quick and simple. Hope you have understood how to sign into Zoho Zakya. Thank you and have a great day. See you in the next video.